Hi there. We're having another celebration for Papa's birthday. Compliments of our niece Juliana gave Papa this cake for his birthday, and we're going to enjoy it. So, Papa, can you blow out the candle? We just put one candle for the one.
Oh wait, does it sing first?
Oh, that's right. When he blows it out, we're going to sing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Oh, yes, and after.
Yeah,
I
blow
gotta make a wish.
Take it forward.
Oh, okay.
I wish, and I can tell you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Juliana. Woo!
One more play.
Tell me when you use it.
Okay. What was the music? Like Crash the Party.
I'll ask you later.
Oh, that's a later. Good. Birthday music.
Of course.
The first bite of this delicious looking cake.
Mmm.
Yummy, it looks like.
Very
Okay,
good.
yeah.
Thank
Is
you.
it good?
Yeah,
This
this is the end of the second celebration of my grandpa's birthday.